Angiolo Achini was born March 6, 1850, died January 16, 1930, was an Italian painter. He was educated at the Brera Academy, where he studied under Giuseppe Bertini. At age 27, he won a national prize for best history painting. In his early 30s, he became a follower of painter Tranquillo Cremona. He painted 2 portraits of Cremona. After completing his studies, he exhibited paintings in Rome and Milan in 1881 and in Turin in 1882. He also exhibited his paintings abroad, for example in Munich in 1888. Among his historical canvases were Savonarola arrested and Il colloquio di Clemente VII con Carlo VI danni of Firenze. In 1881 at Milan, he exhibited the landscape Una nevicata. In 1883 at Milan, Baptism, Lo scalo merci, 2 portraits, Una Messalina, and La ripa di porta Ticinese. In 1883 in Rome he exhibited Interno di San Marco, Attenzione, Circus Romanus, Tranquillo Cremona sul suo letto di morte, Ottobre, and Tramonto. In 1886 at Milan, he exhibited the watercolors Monaca and Marina, and oil canvases Vedova, Lo scarico del merci, and Amor Materno. He died in Milan on January 16, 1930.